Drawers are awful. I don't think I have a single drawer in my shop that I'm entirely happy with. And I can confidently say that anytime I open any of the 9 drawers in this tool chest, I am entirely unhappy with what I see. So one of these drawers is getting sorted and organized, right after I make sure the bottom staples don't pull out like others have. I'm sticking with the loose theme of cutting implements for this drawer. So if something has an obvious better home elsewhere, even if it's a different unorganized drawer, that's where it's going. Problem for another day. And I also don't have to hang on to every single little thing that I make. The scrapes that I used to do with this thing are now accomplished with a beat up old card scraper that I carry in my pocket, so goodbye forever. I left MagSwitch to run my own business 4.5 months ago, and in that time I've plowed through a ton of overdue production work and worked my way through all of the sales and shipping generated by closing out the pencil making tools and the legacy Pica screws, not to mention the holiday sale. It's a ton of work, and all that while working behind the scenes on a lot of new product concepts, more than I've ever had in the pipeline any time before. Things are about to get real crazy with the launch of all that new stuff, but I want to build in somewhat regular shop optimization like this. That's what I'm kicking off here. It's nice to have an occasional day when I can pick up a grinding wheel dresser and decide to grab its 2 brothers and build the ideal storage for them. And there they are, stored at the ready, the only place that I will ever need to use them, on the grinding wheels. This little pocket hole jig got an even more significant storage upgrade. I 3D printed a holder for it that isn't just about having it at the ready, it actually makes it easier to use. These spacers are for setup with 1 inch and 1.5 inch thickness material. No spacer is needed for 3/4 inch. And the different levels next to the bit shank make the stop collar setup for all of these thicknesses really fast. And the setup is perfect. Paying channel members have access to the SketchUp and 3D print files in case you want to consider that. I went into this thinking that I was going to be making a video about a clever alternative to Kaizen foam that packed more stuff neatly but accessibly into a drawer. But when I worked things down to what really needed to be in this drawer, that wasn't necessary. And I had spent all my creative energy on the previous stuff I showed you, so going with the established solution seemed to make sense. I think I'm reasonably well set up to maintain the organization of this drawer forever, so if I can keep doing this little bits at a time, then someday the shop won't ever be finished. That's just reality, but it can always be improving. Thanks for watching.
Dad, How is it turning?
Well, you gotta join my channel to learn how I did that.
Well, I'm already part of your channel.
You gotta join. You gotta pay. I need payers.
What? I have to pay money for this? Nah.
Pay up. Dude, pay up. I told you I was paying you to make this video.
Dude, just tell me how that's moving.
I cannot tell you unless you join the channel and pay. That is the rules.